Pink and Megan on the right. Oh, don't grab her ear. Hi, girls. Where are we today? We're in Orlando. Yes. And we're going to meet some of our cousins today for the first time. Yes, we are. Hi, girls. Oh, I love your pretty outfit. What else is new? Oh, you like touching Claire's head, huh, Megan? Yeah. And Claire's just sitting there relaxing. Usually you roll right on your sister, don't you? Yes, you do. Are you shy for the camera? Are you shy for the camera? Yeah, you are, aren't you? What else is new? You going to tell Mommy something? No? You too tired? Are you too tired? Okay, so see you next time.